Hello again everybody, Jim Hickey here, making this video to add to a forthcoming blog post on my WordPress blog that will basically show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to embed a video on any post that you make to your WordPress blog, whether it be on your self-hosted WordPress platform or even on WordPress.com. It really doesn't matter, okay? Basically, this is in follow-up to the blog post that I'm just creating, and I'm actually going to show you how I would embed a video that goes along with this blog post that you're looking at, WordPress widgets, using WordPress widgets to customize your WordPress blog, or actually go in and show you step by step how to put in a widget to add to your sidebars of WordPress. I happen to do this not on this blog, but on another blog that I'm in the process of creating. It has the two columns, basically one sidebar in your posting area. This one has two sidebars in your posting area. But you'll notice that this blog, my attraction and relationship marketing classroom site, has multiple widgets already in place. Some of them have text. I show you how to do that in that video that I'm about to post here. A contact form, I show you how to do that. And banner graphics as well. You know, things like the Easy in Articles banner, the Become a Blogger banner, which is one of the things I show you how to do in the video I'm about to post into this posting. HostGator, Social Media Science, used to be SCO 2020, all these different sorts of things. Okay. So as we scroll back up here and you kind of look at the normal blog, you see a whole bunch of text. I have a link down here out to Hub Pages, a place where I actually give you the step-by-step written instructions on how to do this. But here in the middle of this section, you notice there's a series of H's. And it's right there is where I want my video to go. Okay, so let's get to it and show you how to do that. So we come down here, go down to the, basically the administration area, the back office of WordPress. Okay, the dashboard. My post already exists, so I'm going to come over here to the post menu, down to the edit tab, click on that, and it'll open up. Here's that post. I'm going to put it into edit mode, which is basically the same mode that you get as you would be if you were entering it for the first time. It's just everything's already here in my case. So we have our work area where actually the text and so forth goes. We have our published location, the tags, which are actually keywords when you enter those, this I had all done earlier, categories and all those sorts of things. Okay. Now when you're entering text, videos, audios, images, whatever the case may be, into WordPress, you usually do so in what's referred to as the visual window. You know, this is kind of the way most, you think of it as being a simple word processor. It's kind of a WYSIWYG type of interface. What you see is what you get. Okay, but since I want to do something special here, I'm going to have to leave the visual aspect, and I've already got all that information in there, and go into what's referred to as the HTML mode. Okay, HTML. And in doing so, that'll let me do what I have to do to put the code in there, to put the video in, and move everything forward. So if I scroll down to my window, there's my H's. That's what I'm going to want to replace. Okay. There's the rest of the post. All right. Let's come back up here, click on HTML. And of course, WordPress puts everything back at the top. So let's scroll back down. And one thing you can see here is here's some HTML that's now surrounding those H's. That's telling it basically what to do with it, put it out, to center it, all those sorts of things. And So what we're going to do is now go grab the embed code from Viddler, which is where my video resides, and then install it here on the WordPress site. So I'll just click up on here. I already have my Viddler site loaded. Here's the video that I'm going to add to this blog. It's entitled Customizing WordPress Blogs, Adding Text and Graphic Banners to WordPress. Here's the video. Go watch it there, but I actually want to just make it accessible through my blog post. Come down here to the Embed This click on that button. It opens this little screen. I just usually leave things with the default player, the default size. Seems to work really well. Since I'm not working in WordPress.com, I have a self-hosted site. I just want standard HTML. I'm going to come down here, click in this box. That'll actually highlight everything. Then I will right-click that box, click on copy. That now copies that code into memory. Close this box. I'll head back over to my blog site, come down here to the H's. I will highlight those by basically placing my cursor at the beginning of those H's. Hold down the left mouse button, right? Okay, left mouse button. Drag the cursor across till it's around for all 4 H's. Then right-click that area. Select paste, because I'm going to put that code into where those H's were. And lo and behold, I put it in there. Now, to make sure that that actually happened and did something, we'll click back into the visual window. And what you'll see is where those H's were, the H's are gone, and now there's a little box that basically symbolizes where that video will show up. Okay? So I'll hit the update post. Okay? It'll do its thing, back everything up again. Everything should be saved. It'll tell me that the post is updated. I'm going to come up here to my main site. Okay. Come back out here to the front. Come down to the actual blog post location, which is the latest post. Click on that. Here we are at the WordPress widgets blog post that I just made. But now it has that video from Viddler situated in there. When I hit the play button, it goes out to Viddler, downloads the information it needs, and the video goes off. I have it muted. Actually, it's right through my earphones at the moment, so you can't hear it, but believe me, it's playing. Everything's working. This is pretty cool. Now, I made this video basically to show you how to embed a video into a WordPress blog post. So here in the near future, I'll be writing a post relative to that, posting it on my blog. And as it says here, if you want to get notification of that, it tells you what to do, so you'll have access to it. Hope you find it useful. I enjoy making these things, and sharing. That's what it's all about, right? Helping each other grow, helping each other advance our abilities and so forth. If you need anything else, just leave me a comment. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.